the beach on Labor Day. We could do wine country. Farm to table Thanksgiving feast.
Oh, that sounds good. Or maybe Palm Springs?
Yes, I love that. You know, we publish it.
Clark? Okay.
Hold on a minute.
Babe, you there?
Shh.
You okay?
This place. I thought I was gonna get the shit kicked out of me back there.
I knew I should have come with you.
Oh, because that would make it so much better.
Just pick up the drawings, tell your mom, have some tuna casserole, and come home.
Or I could turn around right now and be back before 8.
Dark Horse Comics wants to talk to you tomorrow afternoon. You need that manuscript.
Yeah, I get it. It's just... once I tell Mom, nothing will ever be the same.
Eyes on the prize.
Hey, I'm here. I gotta go. See you tonight.
Hey!
Gunnar, I didn't think you'd be here. I thought you moved into town with Marlene,
Mom
didn't
told
you?
me you were coming. Don't you break her heart.
I
Giving your brother a hug, Gunnar?
thought you quit.
Started up again yesterday when you told me you were coming home to tell me something real important.
Should we sit down? I need you to know something. Wow, this is hard. So, okay, just Nike this shit, right? Just do it. Mom, Gunnar. I'm gay. Oh, shit, Mom.
Gay! You're gay! That's the big announcement? Oh, you're gay.
Thought you should know.
You thought we should know. Honey, I've known since you were 3 years old. You got me all riled up thinking you lost your scholarship, you flunked out of school, you got cancer or something, and you tell me you're gay.
You knew?
Can a catfish smell a worm?
What does that even mean? Am I the worm or the catfish in this scenario? You know, all those smacks as a kid didn't make me any more manly.
I didn't beat on you to make you manly. I beat on you because you were a little asshole who got into my shit and buried my cigarettes in the yard.
Yeah, well, Dad sure tried to beat it out of me when I came in wearing that bright red lipstick I found in his truck.
He beat you because I saw you too, and that wasn't my lipstick.
So he didn't leave because of me?
He left because I told him if he ever cast a shadow on this property again, I'd take a shotgun to his ass.
So you're okay with it?
Do we have a choice?
Shut up, Gunner. Of course we're okay. It's just you. What a relief. I want to put some chicken on.
You're still kind of an asshole. But I'm glad you're speaking your truth.
That's very progressive of you.
I read, bro.
Oh my god, it's so late. I've been so worried. How'd it go?
Not as expected.
Oh, babe. I'm sorry. I'm here for you.
No, it was just
Are you okay to drive? Do you want to wait and talk about it in person?
good. Really good.
Really?
Yeah. Hey, what do you think about postponing our Palm Springs trip? Mom wanted us to come down here for Thanksgiving. And if we get here by Saturday, Gunnar invited...
Who's a freak?
Get off me!
Jamie. I like guys. A freak. Loser. Jamie.
I'm gay! I don't care anymore!
If you like this video, you might want to watch this video next.